Hello everyone, I am Shobha. Today's topic numerical problems on assessment of individuals. In the given problem, asked to compute the total income tax payable for the assessment year 2019 and 20 in the following cases. In the first case, where the total income of Mr. Amar rupees 3,40,000. In the second situation, where the total income of Mrs. Jyoti rupees 5,20,000, and in the third situation, where the total income of Mr. Aditya rupees 6 lakh, and clearly specified in the problem, he is a senior citizen. From the following information, we have to calculate the total tax liability of an individual. In the first situation, where the total income of Mr. Amar is rupees 3,40,000. Tax rate for any individual, a resident individual who born or after April 1st, 1959, up to net income range up to rupees 2,50,000, income tax rate is nil. Means assessee need not to pay any tax to the government. Next, rupees 2,50,000 to rupees 5 lakhs rupees, it is net income tax rate is 5%. Whereas the Mr. Amar's the total income is only 3,40,000. We have to take the difference of 2,50,000 to 3,40,000. It comes 90,000 rupees. On 90,000 rupees, we have to take 5%. That comes 4,500. The net resultant figure will be the 4,500. From this, we have to deduct a rebate under section 87A. A resident individual whose net income does not exceed rupees 3,50,000 can avail rebate under section 87A. It is deductible from income tax before calculating education cess. The amount of rebate is 100% of income tax or rupees 2,500, whichever is less. But here, Mr. Amar's total income is less than 3,50,000. Hence, assessee can claim or avail this benefit of rebate under section 87A up to rupees 2,500. From 4,500, if you minus 2,500, the resultant figure will be 2,000. And compulsorily, every individual assessee has to pay health and education cess at 4% on gross tax liability. So it should be added to the gross tax liability. So 4% on 2,000, it comes rupees 80. The total amount, we'll call it as net tax payable amount. That is 2,080 rupees. Whereas in the second situation, where Mrs. Jyoti's total income is given 5,20,000. As per the income tax rate for any individual who is born or after April 1st, 1959, net income range up to rupees 2,50,000, the income tax rate will be nil. Assessee need not to pay any tax. Next, rupees 2,50,000 to 5 lakh, it is 5%. So we have to take the difference of these two, 2,50,000 to 5 lakh. The difference amount is 2,50,000. On this, we have to take 5%. It comes 12,500. Next, rupees 5 lakh to 10 lakhs rupees. The net income rate is 20%. Whereas assessee's income is only 5,20,000, then we have to take the difference of rupees 5 lakh to 5,20,000. The difference amount is 20,000. On 20,000, 20%, it comes 4,000. So the total resultant figure is 16,500. Less rebate under section 87A. Resident individuals whose total income does not exceed rupees 3,50,000 can avail rebate under section 87A. up to rupees 2,500. But here the assessee's total income exceeds more than 3,50,000. Hence assessee cannot avail this benefit. Hence it will be nil. So again the net resultant figure will be the 16,500. We'll call this as gross tax liability. To this we have to add health and education cess at 4%. 4% on gross tax liability, that is 16,500. It comes 660 rupees. So total net tax liability is 17,160. The last situation where the total income of Mr. Aditya rupees 6 lakh. He is a senior citizen. Clearly specified he is a senior citizen. Who is a senior citizen here? Senior citizen is one who crossed the age of 60 years or more at any time during the previous year but less than 80 years on the last date of the previous year. For senior citizens, up to net income range 3 lakhs rupees, the income tax rate is nil. The next 3 lakhs rupees to rupees 5 lakh, 5%. So we have to take the difference here, 3 lakh to 5 lakh. The difference amount is 2 lakh. On 2 lakh, 5%, it comes 10,000. Next 5 lakh to 10 lakhs rupees, it is 20%, but whereas assessee's total income is only 6 lakh, hence we have to take the difference of 5 lakh to 6 lakh. The difference amount is 1 lakh. On 1 lakh, 20%, it comes 20,000. The total amount is 30,000. Less rebate under section 87A. Again here the assessee's total income is less than 3,50,000, then assessee cannot avail a rebate under section 87A. So it will be nil. The total gross tax liability is 30,000. Add health and education cess at 4% on gross tax liability, that is on 30,000, it comes 1,200. So resultant figure we'll call it as net tax payable. Thank you.